Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, we'll be learning about, we'll be solving some question regarding conditionals and booleans. So the question is this. So based on the student's marks, assign the following grades. And the assigning criteria is given below. So if the student gets marks greater than 90, assign a grade of A. If it's between 80 and 90, where 90 is included, assign grade of B. If it's between 60 and 80, both included, assign a grade of C. And if it's below 60, assign a grade of D. So this is a basic if else conditional question. So we can solve it in two ways, by using nested ifs and by using an inbuilt and operator. So we will make use of inbuilt and operator, because why to complicate things, right? So I will be giving you the explanation for both. Let's start off with the creation of the student variable, student mark variable. So st marks will represent students marks. So we need to take an input. Note that we need to take the input as an integer, enter the marks. This will input the marks. Now after that, we need to create a conditional saying if st marks is greater than 90, print A. And if this condition is not met, we'll put another condition saying elif st marks is less than equal to 90. And now here you can use and, or you can use a nested if, like if elif st marks is less than 90, if st marks is greater than 80, and then print B. But why to complicate things when you can make use of the AND operator, right? So we can type st marks less than equal to 90 and st marks is greater than 80, then print B. Now if this condition is also not met, we have a condition for grade C, that is elif st marks is greater than equal to 60 and st marks is less than equal to 80, print C. Oops, I forgot to add T. Then finally, if none of the condition is met, print D. Now you could also done something like elif st marks is less than 60, but why to do it? Because there is no more conditional after the greater than equal to 60 and less than equal to 80, because anyways if the last condition is not met, it would have to print D. So that's why I put else conditional instead of mentioning elif st marks is less than 60. Cool. So let's test this one. So let's run it. Okay, enter the marks. First of all, let's say I got full marks 100. It assigned me grade A. Now let's enter the mark as 90. So by the criteria, it should award me a grade of B. So let's run it and see. Oops. Okay, let's run it here and see. It gave me B. Now let's suppose I got a grade of I got a mark of 80. If I try to run it, it gave me C because third condition is satisfying. And finally, let's put say, hey, I got a mark 60. It still gave me C because here the condition is included. So 60 is included. Now finally, let's put marks as 45. So it printed me D. So that was all for today's video about conditionals and booleans. And I request you to really practice conditionals and booleans, because it's one of the core characteristics of basic Python fundamentals, and you need to be well versed with it. Alright guys, see you in the next lecture.